Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make crepes. These delicious crepes are easy to make with very few ingredients. They're tasty with a savory or sweet filling. Eggs, chocolate, jam, bananas, berries, and whipped cream. The options are endless. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. It's best to use a non-stick crepe pan like this one. This one is 9.5 inches. Believe me, I've tried different kinds of pans, including my favorite cast iron, which I want to use to make everything. But since you have to swirl the pan with one hand and this is heavy, it's just not going to work. I rarely cook with non-stick, but for crepes, it is best to use this type of light pan that you can easily swirl with one hand. I'll use a blender to make the crepe batter so it'll be very smooth. Add the eggs, milk, sugar and salt, melted butter, and all-purpose flour. Put the lid on and blend until smooth. If you want to add a flavoring to your batter, use a teaspoon of vanilla extract before blending. Pour the smooth batter into a cup. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes before making the crepes. You can also put the batter in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Mix your batter before using. Put a little bit of oil on the pan. Even though it's non-stick, it's a good idea to put a little bit on to the pan and just rub it all over. Hold the batter with one hand and move the pan with the other hand. And when you pour the batter, just tilt the pan a little bit. Use approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each crepe. The amount of batter you need depends on your pan. I use oil so the color of the crepe will be golden and even all over. You can use butter instead of oil, and that'll give you a pattern on the crepe instead of an even color all over. Try both and see which one you prefer. It takes just about 1 minute on this side. The bubbles start to form on top. The edges are golden brown. Just use an offset spatula. Lift up the edge a little. And gently flip it over with your hands. See all the bubbles on top? It only takes about 20 seconds on the other side. You can see all the spots on the other side, and now we can just remove it. I'll show you the other side. You can see the spots, and that's what you want. The first few may not come out perfectly. You'll have a few little holes. After you make a few, they'll come out nice. See all the brown spots on the other side? Now it's ready to use your spatula and gently pull it off the pan. You can see both sides of the crepes. The fillings are endless. These are wonderful spread with jam and rolled up for kids as an easy snack. One of my favorite desserts is crepes with melted chocolate, bananas, and whipped cream. You saw how simple this was to make, and I hope you try it for yourself. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.